Hello there, Telegram users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss: how to block a contact in Telegram. If you're dealing with unwanted messages or you simply want to restrict someone's access to your account, blocking them is the way to go. So, let's dive into our full guide on how to block a contact in Telegram. Step 1. Open Telegram. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap and hold on the contact that you want to block. Find the contact's name in your chat list and press and hold on it. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Tap on the 3 stacked dots and tap on Block User. Within the menu options, look for the 3 stacked dots icon. Tap on it to reveal more actions, and then select Block User. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block the contact. If you're certain about your decision, tap on Block to proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully blocked the contact in Telegram. They will no longer be able to send you messages or view your profile. Remember that blocking someone is a personal choice and should be used responsibly. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock the contact, you can easily do so by following similar steps. By following these 3 simple steps, you can ensure a more secure and peaceful experience on Telegram. Blocking contacts gives you control over who can interact with you on the platform. Thank you for watching today's video on how to block a contact in Telegram. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content and happy blocking on Telegram.